There it is. One Caltrac is in. Driver's side. It's not set up yet. I gotta put it on the ground to set it up for the preload and all that stuff, but it's all bolted down. I even got a U-bolt conversion kit because it had the T-bolts in there. So got the U-bolts down. Came out pretty nice. I got I ordered some drag shocks 50/50 for the rear. Some Lakewood drag shocks. So those will be coming. They should be here tomorrow. And then I'll button up the driver's side. And that'll be it for that. Then I'll have to start on the passenger. But the other shock mounts right here. Straight up, stock location. So far so good. I mean, these are a good piece, man. They look good. So, we'll see what happens when we launch. Should work pretty good. Nothing but good reviews on these things. So, that's it. Have a good one.